Today I'm going to talk about our cupcakes that we do at the beginning of the year in honor of our birthdays. Your first step is to write your name and class code on the front of your cupcake someplace with a Crayola black marker. You'll want to pick a spot where you have enough room to write your name. This is a pretty big spot, so I'm going to write my name right here. I'm going to take my time and do my best handwriting. If you have trouble with your letters, please ask. I am more than happy to help you. Write your name. Our class code is it starts with your grade level. So if you're in kindergarten, you would write a K. If you are in first grade, a 1, in second grade, a 2. And then you're going to write the first 3 letters of your teacher's last name. If you're not sure how to do your class code, you can look on the board. It'll be on the board, or you can ask your teacher. The last thing you're going to write with your marker before you start to color is your birthday. My birthday is May, and I can choose to write my month in letters, or I could use numbers. And then I'm going to write the day, and my birthday is on May 21st. And that's all I have to write. I have my name, my class code, and my birthday. Now I'm ready to color. It is important that we do the writing first because this marker does not like to write on top of crayon. Now you can take your crayons and you can decide what colors you would like to do. A couple things to remember is we want to think about our 3-star coloring. Remember, when we color, we work very hard to stay in the lines. You want to work to make all the white go away. And you want to think about using the same pressure when you color. So I'm going to pick a color. My favorite color is green. So I'm going to start with green. And I like this color here. So I'm going to start by coloring this section right here. And I think I'm going to try to do a pattern. So on this line here, I'm going to do a light green, and I'm going to skip this line, and even though the line doesn't go all the way to the top, I am going all the way to the top. And then I'm going to go skip one and do my next line. And if you look at how I'm coloring, I am making all the white go away. I am being very careful to stay in the lines. You see how I go slower around the edges, and I can go quicker in the middle. And I am trying to use the same pressure. I am pushing down as hard or as lightly as I did when I started. And that makes the color look the same all the time. I'm slowing down to do inside here. And then I would continue this all the way across. I'm taking my time because I want to make sure that I am showing pride in my work, being careful about what I'm doing, and trying to make it look as good as possible. Again, because my lines are vertical like this, I just keep my crayon going back and forth. Now that I've finished with that color, I can pick another color. Another color I like is purple. So I'm going to do a green-purple pattern. So I have green, purple, green, purple. And I'm going to color start at the top. Notice how I'm going slow around the edges so I can stay inside those black lines. Then I can go a little bit quicker on the inside. I go back and forth over my white paper so that all that white goes away. Now this one I had a pretty firm pressure. I want to show you what this same color would look like with a lighter pressure. So here, if I'm not pressing down very hard, do you see the color I can get? It's a much lighter purple. Now, if you are doing this, is one better than the other? No, it's all about preference, but we do want to try to keep it the same. So I like this darker color better, so I'm going to go back and go over this with a little bit more pressure to color this in. And then I would continue this and color my whole picture.